Let me ask you this. Anyone can learn Docker, anyone can run few Kubernetes commands, but why do some people skyrocket in their DevOps career while others stay stuck in the same role for years? Today, I'll share what actually makes your DevOps career a success with real strategies, not just a theory. Step 1, don't skip the basics. Too many people jump straight into Kubernetes or Terraform without understanding Linux, networking, and scripting. But the truth is, 70% of your real world troubleshooting will come down to these fundamentals. For example, if an application pod is failing, Kubernetes might show you an error. But to really fix it, you'll check logs, system resources, and configs. That's Linux and networking. So invest time here. It pays off in every role. Second is, companies don't care how many courses you have watched. What they really care about is, can you solve real problems? The best way to prove that is through projects. Make your own CI/CD pipeline with Jenkins or GitLab. Deploy a sample application on AWS with Docker and Kubernetes. Use Terraform to spin up infrastructure automatically. Put these on GitHub portfolio. When recruiters see your projects, they will know you are job ready. Third, DevOps success is equal to being good at troubleshooting. In the real world, something will always break, a pipeline fails, or a pod crashes, monitoring alerts go off. A successful DevOps engineer doesn't panic. They check logs, they find the root cause, fix it, or create a workaround, automate it so it doesn't happen again. This problem-solving attitude is what companies value the most. Fourth is never stop learning. DevOps is an evolving field. 5 years ago, Puppet and Chef were hot tools. Now it's Kubernetes and GitOps. Tomorrow, it may be AI and DevOps. If you want long-term success, you have to stay curious. So keep upgrading yourself. So here's the secret most beginners miss. DevOps is not a solo game. It's about collaboration. You'll be the middle link between developers, testers, and operations. So if you can explain complex infrastructure problems in simple words to your team, you'll stand out. So communication is a career booster. And finally, think long term. A successful DevOps career isn't just about staying a DevOps engineer forever. Start as DevOps or cloud engineer, grow into SRE or platform engineer, and aim for architect roles. And later, you can move into engineering manager or even head of DevOps. Each step comes with higher pay and bigger impact, but it all starts with the fundamentals and projects we discussed earlier. So, to make your DevOps career a real success, remember to build strong fundamentals, create real projects, focus on troubleshooting, keep learning, and communicate and collaborate. So, if you do this consistently, you'll not just survive in the DevOps, you'll also thrive. So let me ask you, which step do you feel you need to improve on right now? Drop your answer in the comments. I would love to guide you personally. And hey, if this video gave you clarity, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll be sharing more real world strategies every week. Thank you.